Here's how to check if your Wi-Fi calling is on or off to your iPhone. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your iPhone and navigate yourself to the Wi-Fi option. Usually, Wi-Fi calling options can be seen depending on the network that you're currently connected with. But for some updates, Wi-Fi calling sometimes cannot be seen here. Now, if on your iPhone you cannot see the Wi-Fi calling on the options or information under the network that you're currently connected with, the next thing that you can do is go back to the main settings and search for Wi-Fi calling on the search button. And then you will see there the Wi-Fi calling options. Now what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, if you're having a two SIMs on your iPhone, go ahead and select a SIM that you are going to enable the Wi-Fi calling. As you can see on the iPhone, it is turned off, but if the toggle button is green, then it is turned on. And that is how you check if Wi-Fi calling is on or off to your iPhone.